What's up guys, Ben Storick here from Heli Direct and Goosky. Today I got a really exciting video for you guys. Just got something brand new in the mail today from Goosky. So I want you guys to take a guess. What do you think it is? If you guessed the all new S2, you're correct. So there it is guys, the Goosky S2 Max. So if you guys already know, the Goosky S2 original is amazing. One of my favorite helicopters to fly. I bring that thing with me everywhere pretty much, you know. Small helicopter, you can pretty much fly really anywhere. So always have it with me when I want to, you know, get some stick time. So very excited when they came out with the S2 Max. Apparently this is supposed to be better than the original S2. So that's pretty exciting because if you guys know that the S2 is amazing. That original S2 is, like I said, one of my favorite helicopters to fly. So very excited to open the box here and test out the brand new S2 Max. And make sure to watch this video all the way to the end for the test flight. All right guys, as we unbox the S2 here, you'll notice they have this little purple right here that lets you know that this is the purple color S2. They have 3 different colors, purple, orange, and blue, I believe. So I had to go with the purple this time because I got purple on my RS6 and I really like it. So went that way again. I'm assuming really nice packaging as always, Goosky fashion. All right, so you get the nice foam box just like before, which I love these things. I always carry around my Gooskys in these boxes, so it's pretty nice. All right guys, let's open her up. All right, look at that. Clean guys, that is clean. Okay, right off the bat, let's take the helicopter out, check it out. Dang guys, nice. All right, so some of the differences on here, I'll put a picture in the video of all the changes from the previous S2, but I think some of the notable ones are the motor is supposed to be more powerful, and I think the blades are a little bit longer, and a different flight controller, I believe. I think it has like better resolution. So, but yeah man, looks good. That purple, clean. Definitely clean. And then you got the nice hole in the front so you can put your battery in and out without taking the canopy off, or have the other S2 has the little door, you guys know that. So I didn't mind the door, but you know, this is kind of the trend that they're kind of doing. All right, the battery will just slide right in there like that guys. This will plug into here. Super easy. Nice, really like that purple. All right, what else we got in here guys? It's like we got the Bluetooth module, pretty much standard with the Goosky kits here, the S1 and S2. What this does is this allows you to program the flight controller with your mobile phone using the Goosky app. So it's really nice. Nice touch to have there. Okay, so we got, what else we got here? Some various parts here. Main shaft, spindle, some turbo arms, which that's nice to have because, you know, I've crashed my S2 a few times and really all you break is the servo horns or you'll bend the shaft. So nice to have some spare parts there. Some screws as well. And let's see, I think that's, well, we got some Goosky stickers. Yeah, the best part. So that's all we have in the box of the Goosky S2 Max, guys. So let's pull the canopy off so you guys can check it out. What it looks like under the hood here. All right, comes right off. You guys can see a little close up there. Very nice, totally new design on the frame. And also they're saying that it has significantly less hardware, I think, which really makes it nice because, you know, these helicopters are small and you crash and stuff. It's not always fun to repair. So anytime they make it easier to repair, it's better, right? Great to see that. Great job, Goosky. All right, guys, let's get her out to the field and test her out, see how she flies. All right guys, first flight with the Goosky S2 Max. Super excited to try this thing out. I love the original S2, so to get something supposedly better, it's pretty exciting. So we'll check it out. A little hot today, guys, but you know, we're out here, 110 degrees. Great test for the all-new Goosky here. Right off the rip, feels pretty good. Nice and smooth. Definitely feel that better resolution for sure. Wow. Feels great, guys. Feel those bigger blades. They got a little bit more bite. That new motor has great power. Let's test the tail out. See how the tail holds. Oh yeah. Geez, locked in. Look at that. Guys, I'd say she passed the test. Feels pretty good, guys. I mean, feels awesome. Can't really say much. I mean, it's 110 degrees out and she didn't shut down. I think that's probably a good thing. Good test. So Goosky definitely knocked out of the park once again. So good job, Goosky, and thanks for watching the Heli Direct RC YouTube channel. It'd be awesome if you guys subscribe, like, comment, you know, all that good stuff. So, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.